Nothing is simple. We try to make things simple. We try to look at the world and say, this is good and that's bad. That's black and that's white. But, that's just not the way the world works. Take this, for example. This is an old silver $50. The stories we tell about a situation will change the situation. This is a copper coin. It's a big old English penny. The stories we tell about a situation change the situation, because as much as we like to think that things are simple, everything is complicated. Everything has facets. Things are both good and bad, right and wrong. Everything is complicated. The story that we tell about a thing changes how we feel about a thing. And those feelings fuel our actions. And actions are how we go out and create more change that matters. See? It's simple.